Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I just want to do a bit of a sound clips video because since getting this new turbo which I'm running now, which is the Intense 5656 RS turbo, the sound of it is just absolutely insane. When I'm in the car, it's constantly whistling. Now I'm also hearing from other people that are either driving in front of me or around me, or just if I drive off as they're standing there, it is so much louder from the outside. So I haven't actually heard it. So what I want to do is basically hear it from the outside and also let you guys do the same. So I'm going to use a bit of a different microphone than I normally use. It's a bit more sensitive, so it'll actually pick up a little better for sounds further away. So I'm going to get some flybys of the car. So yeah, we can all kind of experience the sound, because yeah, I'm telling you, it sounds loud from inside, so I can't even imagine how loud it's going to be from outside. So yeah, this is the setup. So if you guys haven't seen the videos previously, just got this new turbo and intake. So I have the ETS intake, it's the titanium one, and I have the Intense turbos 5656 RS. So yeah, it did not used to sound like this with my old turbo, which was a GT Pumps 712. I don't think it's a little bit of the intake making a bit of the sound, but it's mainly this new turbo. It just whistles like crazy. So and one other thing I just did last couple of days was I just changed out these couplers to blue just so it all flows a bit better. I'm kind of unsure if I like it. I mean, they were black, those three, and I thought blue would kind of match it all better, which I think it does, but just it's kind of throwing me off. It does look a bit different. But yeah, so I mean, with that said, we're going to get a few pulls, because like this thing, even pulling into my garage, which is like a slight little hump to get in, it even whistles doing that. So I want to get some like really low down, slow driving just with the turbo so you can hear it, and also I want to get a couple of pulls going through the range until it's possibly wide open throttle, and then we'll hear how it sounds, and I'll report back at the end. Alright guys, so hopefully the microphone picked that all up. It's a really windy day, so I tried in 2 different little spots here in this industrial area, but I think it may have picked up a lot of wind before the car sort of came. But yeah, in person, it's the first time I've been able to hear it, so I had Letisha drive. It sounds absolutely insane. Like, yeah, it's just the whistle coming on, and yeah, once the turbo's actually going, it really sort of picks it up another level. So it sounds really great. Hopefully the video did it justice. I probably didn't, to be honest. It's just hard capturing sounds with the right microphones. But yeah, sounds insane. Also got a couple of clips of driving, trying to pick up the sound in person, so without putting the microphone in the engine bay, which to be honest is about how well you hear it in person. So when I put the microphone in the engine bay, that's about what your ears hear while you're actually driving. But when I have the microphone on me in the cabin, it doesn't seem to pick it up. But I did try this same microphone, just going for a couple of little pulls to see if it picks it up any better. But yes, I think that is about all we can do for now. I will do a POV driving clip with the microphones set up at the exhaust and in the engine bay in the future, so you can get the full experience. But for now, it's starting to rain, so I really need to wrap this up. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. Definitely enjoyed standing there listening to my car drive past, and I'm sure Letisha enjoyed driving it. Wind is picking up, so I'll end the video there. So if you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't already, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the sound. But with all that said, until next time, I'll catch you guys later.